नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर वत्तमिम बिल खैर आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन. We have been covering different aspects of a noun. We know that a noun has four different characteristics. We have covered i'rab, we have covered jins, we have covered adad. Today we are going to focus our attention on wus'a, which is a fourth characteristic, fourth attribute of a noun. Wus'atun will be the pronunciation if we fully vocalize it. So from the wus'a point of view, we can divide noun into two categories, nakira and ma'rifa. A reasonable English translation will be ma'rifa definite and nakira indefinite. For a definite noun, its area of influence tends to be limited, while for indefinite noun, its area of influence tends to be wider compared to the definite noun. Or we can say definite noun is restricted in its action and indefinite noun tends to be kind of unrestricted in its area of influence. We can also translate nakira as common noun, because in English we have addressed this issue under the headings of common noun and proper noun. So this we can call common noun, and this we can't really call proper noun, because proper noun will be a category of definite noun. So proper noun is one type of definite noun, and there will be other categories of definite noun. It is better called, in English we call it a type of noun or kind of a noun, and from the Arabic point of view, really it's better to call it capacity of a noun, capacity or area of influence, remit of the area of influence of a noun, which is better because, for example, if a teacher asks students, there are 30 students in a class, and teacher asks them, can Hamid fetch me a glass of water? And hopefully there will be only one Hamid, and Hamid will go and bring a glass of water for his teacher. And if the teacher says, can someone bring me a glass of water? So no, the possibility is any of those 30 students. So the possibility has increased. The area of influence of the noun has increased. So that's the kind of difference between nakira and ma'rifa. In Arabic, we can say every noun will be considered to be a nakira unless we prove that noun to be definite. It makes it easy to address this topic that way. You probably remember when we were discussing jins of a noun, we said every noun in Arabic will be considered muzakkar unless we prove that to be muannas. So it becomes easy. At that time, we looked at different nouns and how a noun could be considered to be muannas, and if a noun wasn't muannas, then it was considered to be muzakkar. And here what we are going to do is we are going to look at various categories of ma'rifa, and if a noun doesn't fit into those categories, we will consider that noun to be nakira. So let us move one step further than from here. We can call this aqsamul ma'rifa, types of ma'rifa. Qismun is wahid, qism type, and aqsam will be plural, which will be broken plural. So aqsamul ma'rifa. Ma'rifati. So Qismun is Wahid. Qismun. And its plural is Aqsam, which is broken plural. So Aqsamul Marifa is our topic today. And the first category we can call that proper noun. Number one, proper noun. Proper noun in Arabic translation will be Ism Alam. Proper noun, as we all know, name of a person, place, or a thing. For example, we say Makkatu, name of a place. Hamidun, name of a person. Let's add Londonu, the name of a place. Also, remember that some of the nouns, about 85%, they are Mu'rab, which take tanween, and about 13% they do not take tanween. They are called Ghair Munsarif. So here Hamid is Munsarif, Makkatu Ghair Munsarif, and Londonu is Ghair Munsarif as well. So that's Isme Alam. Alam basically is a word used for flag. And those of you who has been to Hajj, you will know that it tends to be extremely busy. There tends to be an ocean of people out there, and there are different groups from different countries, and you usually belong to a group. And if you become separate from your group, you will know that your group will carry a particular flag, and you will know the color of the flag and the design of the flag. And from a distance, you will be able to identify, to make out where exactly your group is. And hopefully you will gradually go and join your group. So Alam becomes a kind of sign allocated to something.